Welcome to the EAL Level 3 requirements for fire detection and fire alarm systems for buildings BS 5839 Part 1, 2025. This is a 5-day course designed to give you both theory and practical knowledge to allow you to work confidently and compliantly. With a 99% pass rate, our benchmark mock assessments combined with our practical sessions minimize the need for extensive revision. The course can be completed in-center or hybrid with online study alongside one practical assessment day. Successful learners can apply for an ECS operative card subject to the completion of ECS health and safety assessment. To find out more, scroll down the page for full course details and to secure your place.